So there is a power line down on 421 in US 30 in LaPorte County. We were just told by our producer. So this is another thing too. Once the storm has passed, so remember this has moved through LaPorte County and you're going to travel. You need to be completely aware of your surroundings as we could be dealing again with power lines down, trees down, ponding on the roads, all kinds of issues. But remember, this tornado warning until 5 o'clock is really for just this whole area right here that we're going to watch as it moves north and east. So it is a broad area, but we've put a storm track on it. We've talked about Syracuse and North Webster, anybody within that range that you need to take shelter, get to the lowest level of your home, away from the windows, and of course, make sure that you stay down there until you have been cleared to do so. Again, this expires at 5 o'clock and it is currently 4:33. Overnight, though, we do stay mostly cloudy, and that will be the story for tomorrow. We could see some showers very early. As a boundary moves through, this would be a slight chance of rain, and then we clear out behind it. So we become mostly sunny as the day goes on. But with that boundary moving through, it cools us off. So morning clouds, afternoon sunshine, again, a slight chance of rain early on. 67 for Friday. So tomorrow we're at 65. Friday, we're at 67. Look at this weekend. 72 Saturday, 76 on Sunday. Zero chances for rain, but Saturday, of course, is blossom time. Remember, I told you that it's cooler near the lakeshore, so the parade will be in the 50s. Farther inland, again, will be in the 70s. Mother's Day, you can't really plan it better with sunshine and high temperatures in the mid to upper 70s for Mom. As we look at precipitation chances beyond that slight chance tomorrow, not much to talk about. Today, though, we do become mostly cloudy, much warmer with a high of 75. Tonight, it's still not too bad. 47 for the low with mostly cloudy skies. And you'll see on that 7-day, that slight chance of rain early tomorrow, then cooler 60s, upper 60s Friday. But look at Friday morning. Friday morning will be chilly. And then we just keep warming up with all of that sunshine. We are seeing some lake effect fall across the area. It is a pretty snow because it's not too terribly heavy, but we are seeing some slick spots as a result in spots where the bands are. So light lake effect will continue through tonight. Light accumulation is expected. We still are on track to have sunshine return to the forecast for Thursday. We have widespread light snow on Friday, looking at about 1 to 2 inches. More snow Sunday into early next week, but no major storms. If anything, it would be early next week where we could see some lake effect adding up that we'll be keeping an eye on. Storm tracker radar right now, this lake effect is not going to add up much. The brighter the white, the lighter the snow. This is very light. It's when we see those deep shades of blue, that's when it's snowing really heavy. That's not the case here, but we do expect this to continue to fall again, at least through early this evening. True lake effect event is coming straight off Lake Michigan. You go to the other side of the lake toward Illinois and Wisconsin, and they don't have anything in the form of snow. In true lake effect fashion, we have had a wide range of reports, of course, with snowfall totals. These are some official reports we've received from the National Weather Service. Niles around 10 inches in spots. Buchanan, particular one, had 9 inches. I know we've had locally higher amounts as well. 8.5 in Watervliet, about 7 in Dowagiac. Edwardsburg, 5.3. Stevensville, 4.4. We had about 2.8 in South Bend, around 5 or 6 in Granger. That's exactly, though, what lake effect does. Right now, we're still dealing with it, and it's in the same spot it's pretty much been a good chunk of today, the northeastern portion of Michiana. You go farther south and west, they have the clear skies. That's what lake effect does. But yes, we're going to see this at least through the early overnight hours before it starts to taper off. So we'll still see some light accumulations. Roads may get slick again in spots if you're going to be out. So just keep that in the back of your mind, again, if you are in this lake area. 66 on Wednesday. This is the day we need to watch. We are under an enhanced risk. That's where we were yesterday of strong to severe storms. That's a level 3 of 5, 5 being the strongest. Lesser risks the farther west and east you go. And that is because what we need to watch. So what we're seeing is if this round of storms, we need to see what it does in the atmosphere on Wednesday morning. This could make it a little bit better for us and reduce the risk of severe weather. We're going to have to watch it because then we get into the afternoon, we see some scattered rain, but it's then going to be another cold front moving through about Wednesday evening, afternoon, evening. This could bring again the possibility of some stronger storms. All the storm threats are there. Tornadoes, hail, wind, and flooding all could be possible with the setup that we have for us on Wednesday. Behind it on Thursday, we have a few showers. Highs will be in the 50s, and then the upcoming weekend, we're a little bit cooler.